Hey, we are going to do these BocaBella teeth whitening wraps together. So let's go. I did receive these as a gift from the company so that I could show you how to use them. Now, before we open the package, we are going to check our teeth. It comes with this whitening grid. And so what you're going to do is try to find the one that is closest to your teeth. I think it's this one. Now, this is why we're doing it, right? So that we can whiten our teeth. So the interesting thing about these is they're not like whitening strips. When you put whitening strips on, you kind of wrap them on your teeth, but then they get wrinkles and it's like super weird and they kind of fall off. So the technology with these is this kind of molded U-wrap. So you can also tell which one is the upper and which one is the lower. So let's start with the lower. And we are just going to go ahead and put these in like this. And then just push down. You want to cover all of the space. Okay, now we do the top. There we go. And look, I feel like I'm talking normal, so that part's good. These have 15% hydrogen peroxide. They have hydroxyapatite, which helps take away that sting. And they also have some other natural ingredients like aloe vera. Okay, we are going to wait 45 minutes and we're going to peel these off. Okay, it's been 45 minutes and I'm going to go ahead and peel these off. They're a lot softer and pliable now that they've been in my mouth. Here's an amazing thing about these that I love. There's no residue. So when you use other whitening strips, you got to go brush your teeth after because there's all that gunk on your teeth. These don't have any gunk. Nice and smooth. So compared to like whitening strips that are flat, these are so much nicer because of the molded shape of, the arch of your teeth, and there's no residue. I didn't have any sting at all, and we are going to test this out. I will keep you updated. And hey, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe.